So today we're going to be adding sound effects to dinosaurs, starting with Megaraptor. Let's see if it works. It worked! Now let's see if we can do it for Ceratosaurus. Let's go! I see that the Megaraptor one was probably better, but that was pretty good as well. I think I might be getting the hang of this, adding sound effects to dinosaurs. No, well, the next step would be probably walking, but now I'm just probably going to stick to the roars and stuff. So let's do this. Let's add some more roars. Here we go. I quite like that, Dilophosaurus vs Giant Spinosaurus. I think it turned out to be pretty good. So, if you want to know where the Megaraptor song came from, it's actually a T-Rex song. You probably know that already. But it came from Jurassic Park. It's a classic, so let's listen to it in 3, 2... Okay, you know what? Just stop that. You will all know this roar, like all dinosaur fans out there. If you watch Jurassic Park, this is a classic. Wait, what? God damn it, editor. Why did you have to add that in? Wait, I'm the editor. Oh, So I think this time will be the charm. We have to get the real T-Rex inside. We have to get it. Come on, let's do this. Alright, y'all, so I think this one better work, because if it doesn't work, then I don't know what to do with myself.
Oh no!
No! Okay, no more messing about. It almost worked. Okay, fine. The jokes are gone. This is the real deal, okay? I said, this is the real deal. Come on, let's go. Come on! What? Okay, so I think that's enough of the jokes and stuff for this video. Let's get more roars coming. Let's go! Alright, so next up is Brachiosaurus. Let's go. Works so slow. Works well. Let's see what's next. Next up is Siamotyrannus. Let's go. I think this might be the last one. Alright, let's go. So yeah, that was the last dinosaur. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and leave some requests for any dinosaur that you want me to put a sound in. Just put the name of a dinosaur and then I will do it. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye! Oh hey! Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, then like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Peace out!